This is a sample of the morning brief the workflow builds. Fictional operator, but the real format. The first quarter I'm chasing, and the days left on it. Up top, the one line that matters, not a to-do list. It tells you the nearest thing with real money on it. Here's a session 6 days out that decides a deal. The plan for the day, built from the calendar, the prep block, the open window, and the 2 warm intros to ask for. Down here, the pipeline. Every open deal, its next step, and the one deal missing a next step flagged. This is the one that slips if no one catches it. And the part that matters most, held for your approval. It drafted the replies, it teed up the updates, and it did not do any of them. Nothing happens until you say yes. I read one of these on my business every morning. Next Thursday, the 16th, I'll show you how to build yours. Invest an hour, build it for your real week. The registration is in the post below.